Hey guys, I just want to make a video. Um, this is mostly yet again a science video. Uh, this is mostly going to be talking about the first five branches of five branches of science. And this mostly means there's types of science. There's and I'll be telling you them. And there's other parts of science that's involved with them. It's kind of hard for me to tell, but I'll just get to it. The first branch is Earth and space science. Mostly the two that are in it is geoscience, which would follow under the Earth, mostly talking about Earth, the land, volcanoes, the continental drift, stuff like that. Then astronomy. Astronomy is involved with the space. So mostly just space, learn about space, stars, planets, solar system, universe, stuff like that. Mostly that's what it means. Then social science, which the two that are in it would be sociology. Sociology is mostly development of other behaviors, other societies' behaviors, other people's behavior to a certain thing. How do they react differently? Then psychology, which mostly means your behavior, the mind itself. Like, what would happen if you stub your toe on a wall? How would your brain react? How would your mood and behavior react to? The third one would be life science. This one's pretty good. I like it, but I really like astronomy though. Back to that, but I really like that one. But life science, I think it's pretty cool. The two that are in it would be functional biology. That is mostly means the parts of plants and animals. The psychology, the psychicology. Can't even say it now. The size. I can't even pronounce it now. Can't pronounce it now. Sorry. But mostly just the plants and animals of organisms. The parts of it, like the brain, the heart, for humans, stuff like that. But for plants, like the stem, the flower, and that stuff. Then cellular biology. It's in the name. It's cells. It's how a cell works. Like the beginning of a cell, and what happens if it interacts with other cells. So like life in that, it can go under medicine a little bit. Sometimes because how do would medicine react to cells? They do some of those tests. I looked it up and I didn't really know that. Then the fourth one is physical science. Physical science I like as much as astronomy and that, because this one, physics, that one I really like. It's mostly it's a natural science kind of, but not like trees and that stuff. The nature itself, like life and nature's life. So think about like the forces and that forces, the energy, stuff like that. Like four forces of nature that would fall under it. 12 particles of matter that would also fall under it. They learn that with physics too. And second one is chemistry. Chemistry is mostly matter, like how matter would move. Elements, that is actually part of it with elements, because how would two things react with different to make it something different? So like hydrogen and oxygen combined together, it makes water. Well, two hydrogens and oxygen will actually make water. But that's mostly what would chemistry fall into. And the last one, formal. It's a formal science. Formal mostly means with logic and mathematics. Now, Logic, simply philosophy, or a reasoning, have reasoning to it. Mathematics, mostly math. That's mainly it. Just math, like plus 2 + 2, 4. That's mainly it. But now the cool thing about this, the 5 branches, they all go together. Some of them, because you need formal science to know like all of them. You always have to have formal science, because for physics you have to know mathematics and that. Logic, and you always need logic with science. You need to actually have a reasoning for your hypothesis, or if you're solving your answers, you need a reasoning to it. But the two that really don't go together, the social science and the earth and space science, because they don't have no connection whatsoever. But you can learn, if you know cellular biology, you can still know things in geoscience and astronomy. There can be some cells or stuff like that, like something on Mars or something. You can still use it. Well, I hope you liked the video. I'm a little sleepy now because I was just cooking, so I hope you liked the video. If you like it, leave a like. And if you have any questions on one of the 5 or the 10 of the parts of the 5, leave a comment, and I'll probably make another video telling you like what it's about and that stuff. Or if you're still having trouble of what they mean in that, leave a comment. I'll probably make another video. Like I said, I want you guys to learn and for you guys to understand it. So, hope you liked the video.